Attack. 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 The soldiers plan to attack the enemy camp at dawn. Attempt. 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 Despite the challenge, she decided to attempt the difficult puzzle. Attend. 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 I will attend the meeting at 3 p.m. to discuss the project updates. Attract. 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 The colorful flowers in the garden always attract butterflies. Auction. 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 The rare painting will be auctioned next week.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Avoid. 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 To stay healthy, it's essential to avoid excessive junk food. Accuse. 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 He decided to accuse his friend of taking his lunch without permission. Add. 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 Please add sugar to your tea if it's not sweet enough. Admire. 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 We all admire her dedication to her work and creativity. A lot. A lot. A lot. The teacher will allot seats to each student.